Alright, I just wanted to show off this germination table that I made here. So this is like a 4x4 sheet of plywood, 3/4 inch. Okay, the whole underneath plywood. Then it's framed out on top with pressure treated 2x4s. And then I put a 1-inch piece of foam in the bottom. And I took a gutter defroster and I wound it back and forth in this whole sandbox. I laid it out on the foam and I used these Romex staples to hold it in place. Then I just went over top of it all with sand, leveled it out. There's an extra staple. I'll have to put those back in. Went back over top of it with the sand and then I wet it down, and I can put 6 of the 10x20 trays on here. So I'll get those laid out and that way you can see what it looks like. Alright, so this way, instead of having an individual mat for each one, I can have 6 of them on here with the humidity domes, and I can start as many, 6 at a time here. And then as I'm removing the humidity domes, I'll just turn on the fan. I'll keep it on low and it just oscillates. That'll give everything good stem growth, and that'll all take off from there. And then this has a thermostat control as well. And so I can hold down my set button until this starts blinking. And then I can go in here and adjust up or down as I want, and take it up to 80 or whatever. And as you're hardening off your plants too, you can just continue to drop that down over the next several days and get it to make them where they're ready to go into the hydroponic or aquaponic, where the water is not going to be quite so warm, and that'll keep them from having so much shock too. You can see it's already up to 77 and the heating light is turned off, and that's just using the gutter cable to heat this. So I'll put links down in the description, and good luck with your growing season, but it's coming up, and judging by the way of the world, you should probably start growing your own food. So, Mountain Wizard out.